Hey guys, let's try this Abus 6550 cut shackle. Focus on the lock, please. All right. All right. Tensioner. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Should we use a tuck for this one, maybe? That's too big. All right, then. Okay, false set on one. Okay, we try to reset and try pin one again here. Try to get that as the first one this time. False set. Might need something a little deeper. Seems to lose everything. Maybe if I take a little thicker tensioner, because this is actually a little thin. I might actually also need a little deeper hook. Is this too too thick? It should work. Well, that will be a first try trying out the Peterson I got. I still don't remember what it is. I think it's the gem. Okay. Got a little of the fold set back on 5. Okay. I'm not sure if that was the right pin to set, and I'm sure I overset something there if we don't get full set here. And we don't. Reset a pin and see what happens. Okay, full set on 1. I try to set pin 3 here, but I think I keep losing it, and then I overset. Okay, I got a little bit back there, so I think that's okay. Pin 1 hopefully can give a full set. Yes. Pin 2 gave clear for feedback. There we go. But I think I overset it. There we go. Pin down. Come on, pin 1. False set. Pin 2 with quite clear feedback. If I can just get on it right. There. No, not yet. There we go. It was pin 2. All right. Oh, that goes over there. All right. So that is open. By the way, it's not from the Naughty Bucket. We'll get back to Naughty Bucket locks at some point, but I have some other locks so that we need to try out and see if they go to the Naughty Bucket. I think we should go through those first and refresh the Naughty Bucket. But anyway, that was an Apis 6550. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.